Hello. In this video, you will learn how to hold live streams on YouTube from the Proficonf conference room. Only Pro and Premium account owners can additionally purchase this feature. First of all, let's create a conference room. It can be an instant, scheduled event, or a permanent room. Invite speakers to the event room, and then the audience can be connected to the live stream. Go to the streaming menu. In the upper right corner, there is a menu for setting up live streams where you can enable or disable chat, enable or disable participants' thumbnails, select showing only the organizers or the active participants' video. There's also a field for entering the server URL, the field for entering the stream key, button Add Streaming Server. Don't close the browser tab and go to YouTube to create the stream. And then copy the stream URL and the stream key. Sign into your Gmail account to set up YouTube account. Then click the YouTube Studio button. If you don't have your own channel yet, you'll need to create an account. After creating a channel, or if you already have a channel, you should go to the channel dashboard page. Click on the Go Live button. Then you will be redirected to the Stream Settings section. Copy the server URL and the stream key. Go to a Proficonf conference, paste the URL and stream key into the conference menu, and click Add Streaming Server. Press Start Streaming button to start the live streaming. Return to the tab on YouTube, and you will see the preview screen. Next, copy the URL of the live to YouTube and send it to viewers, or share it on social networks, if necessary. To stop the stream, click the End Stream button on the YouTube stream page. Confirm in the pop-up window, click End. Don't forget to save the stream to your YouTube channel. Go to the Proficonf conference room and click Stop Streaming. Click the button to exit the conference and finish it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and follow us on social media to see more updates.